Here is a super free tool that allows you to create animations using Stable Diffusion. I'll leave a link to the resource in the description below. It's free to use up until a point, and after that it will ask you to pay for computer hours. It's actually an incredibly good value proposition, and you can choose how fast you want the computer to run. So let's dive in and see what it's capable of. Here you can see a mesmeric landscape image that transforms into another landscape. One of my favorite examples on this site is this one, which is creating an art in the style of Greg. Let's have a look at it more closely. At the moment, you can define one prompt to animate to another using this tool in Stable Diffusion. However, some of the animations are very glitchy and almost dreamlike, but the effects are mesmeric and engaging. You can see that it warps between different forms and shapes. It's almost a dreamlike experience taking you through different scenarios. So to use this, you can simply enter a prompt. For example, this one starts off with two people crossing the jungle, and it finishes with the two people are happy and laughing, with a number of different prompts in between. You can see they've tried to create a story or a narrative in this piece. I think the effects that are generated from this tool are beautiful and stunning, and you can really create some engaging art. However, the amount of control over the animations is limited. I believe this is a preview of what's to come in the next months in the AI art world. I'm very excited to see where this space will go when we're able to take our images and, using natural language, animate them. Yet they are not particularly useful for perhaps creating a fully fledged narrative. Yet this step is a huge advancement in what is capable in AI art. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and why not check out my courses on Udemy if you want to learn more about AI art. I hope you have a delightful day.